Hello and welcome, makeup enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey to master the art of creating a flawless makeup look, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned beauty lover. This tutorial is designed to enhance your skills and bring out the artist in you. So grab your brushes and let's dive into the world of makeup magic. Applying foundation is a fundamental step in makeup application, creating a smooth and even base for the rest of your makeup. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply foundation to your face. As step 1, prep your skin. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Cleansing removes any impurities, and moisturizing ensures your skin is hydrated, creating a smoother canvas for foundation application. Step 2. Choose the right foundation. Select a foundation that matches your skin tone. You can test the shade on your jawline or wrist to find the closest match. Consider your skin type, dry, oily combination, and choose a foundation formula that suits your needs. Step 3. Dispense the foundation. If using a liquid foundation, shake the bottle before dispensing. For liquid or cream foundations, use a clean makeup sponge, brush, or your fingertips for application. Step 4. Dot the foundation. Place small dots of foundation on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. This distribution helps to ensure even coverage across your face. Step 5. Blend outward. Using a makeup sponge, foundation brush, or your fingers, start blending the foundation outward. Use gentle patting or sweeping motions to avoid streaks or uneven patches. Step 6. Blend into the jawline and neck. To create a seamless finish, blend the foundation into your jawline and slightly down your neck. This step prevents a noticeable line of demarcation between your face and neck. Step 7. Build coverage if needed. If more coverage is desired, you can add a bit more foundation to areas that need extra attention, such as blemishes or redness. However, it's often better to build coverage gradually to avoid a heavy, cakey look. Step 8. Check for evenness. Assess your face in natural light to ensure the foundation is evenly applied. Make any necessary adjustments to areas that may need more blending or coverage. Step 9. Set with powder, optional. If you have oily skin or want to set your foundation, you can apply a translucent setting powder. This helps control shine and increases the longevity of your makeup. Step 10. Continue with makeup application. Once your foundation is in place, you can proceed with the rest of your makeup routine, including concealer, blush, eyeshadow, and lipstick. Remember that the key to a natural-looking foundation application is blending and choosing the right shade for your skin tone. It's also essential to adapt the technique to your preferred tools, whether it's a sponge, brush, or fingers. I hope this step-by-step tutorial helps in creating a flawless makeup look for your occasion. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.